Very good afternoon, and thank you for joining me again on another episode. So it's been a few weeks since the last upload, but the upload should be hitting regular now. I've been out and had a few trips since. So in this one in particular, I head back to that mud pond where I've been on the last couple of uploads. This is going to be the last one in the trilogy, and I was looking for something a bit different. So rumour had it a 96-pound monster fish was caught only a couple of years ago, and it hasn't been seen since. So I tried some different tactics, bigger hooks, bigger baits. Unfortunately, the beast didn't come, but I wasn't left empty-handed. So without any further ado, I'll let you check that out, and I'll catch you back in a bit.
Come on. It's the cat rig. Yeah, it's the cat rig I put on. I'll beep that one out. That's what I wanted. Oh god, don't that one go as well? Yeah. Just pop it in the water for me, can you? Just drop it down, that'd be good there. Cheers. Feels good. I reckon that's going to be 40, maybe 30, 40. Stay away from the aerator. Yeah, our mate kicks in quite quickly. There you go. Just scoop that one up for me. Then, don't lift it too high, that'll be alright. Spin backwards, so you have to get them back in quickly because they'll shake themselves otherwise. So after what seems like a very long, slow morning, our hooks fell out in the net. Barber's hook, mackerel head, meter of rig tubing, because that's the regs. Finally, gone and got a cat. I'm just going to slide him out of this net. Turn him round so I can support him properly. There we go. Gorgeous, gorgeous catfish. 35. Yeah. So there we go, the sun has finally decided to come out, and that was the first fish on the bank. Now we've been here since 10 this morning, and I think it's now about 5, so it's been a long old slog with absolutely nothing. That one, I don't know if I put the weight on the video, came in at 35 pounds, just over 35 pounds, so a few ounces over. But yeah, what a lovely start. We've got all evening here. It's been really overcast, miserable, windy all day, and now we've got this period of calm water and glorious sunshine. So I'll pan the camera around, show you that. and then fingers crossed you'll join me back here with another fish, hopefully before sundown, but if it's in darkness, who cares? Let's see what happens. Gonna catch big one? Are you still hopeful?
Yeah.
Good. But now, dinner time. Oh.
Oblivious, there's a big boilie in this one.
The sun didn't last too long and soon faded away. The wind died down and we were left with the calm of the late evening. I rebaited my spots and recast for one final time before bedding down in hope that something would take through the night. It wasn't too long before this happened.
Nice. I suppose while you got that running, you can see what's happening. 356.
Yeah, it is.
Well, that one took the bait completely, look. Got that. Some strong old plates on that. Did you feel it on my finger? This is a decent fish, this one, isn't it? What a mega fish. Let's just tail around a little bit more. Let's see how that goes there. Okay. Would you look at that? Stunning fish. 4 AM. Gonna get him weighed and get him slipped back in.
Great start to the morning.
Yeah.
And there it was. Unfortunately, no PBs for Keith on this occasion. I think he was a bit too busy eating up all of those delicious crab and squid flavoured boilies. But all in all, a really good session, 2 lovely fish. Wasn't as active as some of the previous ones have been, but that is time for me to leave that venue alone a little bit now, and I'm going to focus on some carp and some pike in the upcoming episodes. So I have already been out and filmed one of those. I've got another 24-hour trip booked coming up very soon, so if you're enjoying the videos, stay tuned, hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss a thing, and I'll catch you in the next one.